coworker at work. Have I told you about him? Oh, he's so annoying.
How new?
Oh, he's been there 3 months. He annoys the hell out of all of us. I swear he's got some kind of
ADHD, ADD,
no,
autism.
kind of like almost autism.
He might be on the
He's
spectrum.
so weird. He asks every veteran, every one of them, what branch they're in. And he tells them, hoorah, we're all one family. I'm like, you are the weirdest guy. And he tells them about all these books he's read and these videos he's watched. And, have you ever made it to North Dakota? Minot, why not? Reasons are the reason, North Dakota. He says that to every frickin' one of them.
What's in North Dakota?
That's where he was in the Air Force.
Oh.
If they're Air Force, he asks them, you ever made it to Minot, North Dakota? Me and my coworkers, we just make fun of it. It was so freaking weird. And one day, he stood out in the hallway for 30 minutes talking to the veterans that are in the waiting area for their MRI or their CTs. He stood out there for 30 minutes. He didn't come in and work. We're like, get your butt in here and do your job. We don't all stand out there in the hallway talking to the vets. And Jamie just let him do it. And then a couple of times he's gotten real nasty with some of our coworkers that have tried to tell him what to do or how to do something. It's like, you're a freaking weirdo. I just, I know they give partialness to veterans for the jobs.
Yeah.
And I'm sure that's what they did in this case, because damn, he's a weirdo. And he asks me all the time, Melissa, can I go to lunch? Can I go to the bathroom? I'm like, Neil, you don't need to ask me. Just go. Tell me you're going to the bathroom, or tell me you're going to lunch. You don't have to ask me. I'm not your boss. Okay, thank you. And he tells me every day, rock on.
How much younger is he than you?
I have no clue. He's either in his late 40s or early 50s.
Oh, so he's not that far behind.
No, he's never been married. He lived with his mom and dad and took care of them in their later years. And he talks about his mom and dad. Oh, they taught me respect, and they taught me. I'm like, nobody cares about what your parents taught you. We're not here to chat about our dead parents. I don't tell you about my parents. My parents taught me respect. And that we respect everybody. Well, yeah, that's all fine and good, but shut up. That's what I feel like telling him. He's a freaking weirdo. I mean, I think he's on the spectrum somewhere. Don't you think that sounds like it?
Yeah, either that or he got hit in the head.
Yeah, it's something.
PTSD or head injury.
And I think he's an only child. And I think he was very, very sheltered or something. I don't know what it is, but...
And then joined the Air Force?
Yeah. And I guess among all the different branches, the Air Force is kind of like the joke.